Hello guys, welcome to Gerald Space. In today's video we'll be talking about the top rising cryptocurrencies with highest prospects for investment at the moment. Please, we are in no way trying to make financial advices, and this coins may vary, so make sure you understand the basics of cryptocurrency before diving into it. We suppose this video is made for cryptocurrency traders. If you're new to cryptocurrency, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications for new videos. We'll be making new video on how to start trading cryptocurrency as a beginner. 1. Shiba Inu, SHIB. What is Shiba Inu? Once upon a time, there was a very special dog. That dog was a Shiba Inu, and this dog inspired millions of people around the world to invest money into tokens with the dog's image on it. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is the Dogecoin killer and will be listed on their own ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu coin was created anonymously in August 2020 under the pseudonym Ryashi. The meme coin quickly gained speed and value as a community of investors was drawn in by the cute charm of the coin paired with headlines and tweets from personalities like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. Shiba Inu aimed to be the Ethereum-based counterpart to Dogecoin's Script-based mining algorithm. Shiba Inu and the SHIB token are part of a swarm of dog-themed cryptocurrencies, including Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These lesser-valued tokens have attracted investors who missed the Dogecoin pump from 0.0002 to nearly 0.75 United States dollars. On September 17, 2021, Coinbase, the largest US-based crypto exchange, listed Shiba Inu on their platform. This news caused Shiba Inu price to rise by over 40% in the following 2 days, bringing the meme dog token into the spotlight again. What makes Shiba Inu unique? The Shiba Inu website invites dog-inspired artists from all over the world to foster the artistic Shiba movement as they bring their Shiba Inu community into the NFT market. Shiba Inu has also created a campaign using Amazon Smile in order to collect donations for rescue real-life Shiba Inu dogs with the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. In the beginning of May 2021, dog-themed meme tokens like Shiba Inu saw transaction volumes in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Shiba Inu price hit an all-time high of 0.00005 on May 10, 2021, before going on a downtrend since. On May 13, Vitalik Buterin, who was given half of the token supply by the developers, announced that he was donating a large amount of these tokens to a fund helping India with COVID relief. The Shiba developers had not anticipated Buterin selling his tokens, so the relief fund, as of May 18, will have to navigate how to sell the tokens to use the money on aid without preventing market shocks in the SHIB market. At the news of Buterin's announcement, Shiba Inu price dropped 44%. Where can you buy Shiba Inu? SHIB is listed on Huobi, Binance, Coinbase, Gate.io, Uniswap, V2, and OKEx, among other exchanges. To check Shiba Inu price live in the fiat currency of your choice, you can use CoinMarketCap's converter feature directly on the Shiba Inu currency page. Alternatively, use the dedicated exchange rate converter page. Popular Shiba Inu price pairs include SHIB United States dollar, SHIB British pound, SHIB Australian dollar and SHIB euro. Here's why Shiba Inu, SHIB, doesn't need a Robinhood listing any longer. Shiba Inu, SHIB, continue to dominate the meme currency market as it overtook Dogecoin, Doge, to become the 9th largest cryptocurrency. After making record highs just a couple of days ago, posting another ETH of $0.000088, the meme currency saw a major price retrace of nearly 50% as its price dipped to $0.000057. However, the bullish momentum helped the altcoin recover majority of its losses the same day, and it is currently consolidating near $0.000075 mark. SHIB has recorded a mammoth price surge of near 1,000% in October, overcoming some major hurdles such as the Elon Musk stress test, a major 31.04 billion token dump. All this while the Shiba Inu community continues to demand its listing on Robinhood. There is an online petition going on at change.org that has gained over 400,000 signatures. However, looking at what the meme coin has done over the past month, where its valuation grew greater than Robinhood, it seems the fintech exchange app is in greater need of SHIB listing. Robinhood, in its latest financial report, has disclosed a decline in crypto activity on the platform, and its stock also plunged 8% after the revelation. Thus, a SHIB listing would give them a push in terms of trading activity as well as publicity. Coinbase is also milking the SHIB frenzy as it replaced a Doge ticker with SHIB as the feature image of its app. 2. Dogecoin. The live Dogecoin price today is $0.285759 United States dollars, with a 24-hour trading volume of $4,308,096,962 United States dollars. The current coin market cap ranking is number 10, with a live market cap of $37,692,392,422 United States dollars. It has a circulating supply of 131,902,505,155 Dogecoins and the max supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy Dogecoin, the top exchanges for trading in Dogecoin are currently Binance, Mandala Exchange, OKEx, FTX, and CoinTiger. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin, Doge, is based on the popular Doge internet meme and features a Shiba Inu on its logo. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. Dogecoin's creators envisaged it as a fun, light-hearted cryptocurrency that would have greater appeal beyond the core Bitcoin audience, since it was based on a dog meme. Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted several tweets on social media that Dogecoin is his favorite coin. How do you mine Dogecoin? Dogecoin differs from Bitcoin's proof-of-work protocol in several ways, one of which is by using script technology. The altcoin has also a block time of 1 minute, and the total supply is uncapped, which means that there is no limit to the number of Dogecoin that can be mined. You can mine Dogecoin either solo or by joining a mining pool. A Doge miner can mine the digital currency on Windows, Mac or Linux, and with a GPU. As of 2014, you can also mine Litecoin in the same process of mining Dogecoin, as the processes were merged. What can Dogecoin be used for? Dogecoin has been used primarily as a tipping system on Reddit and Twitter to reward the creation or sharing of quality content. You can get tipped Dogecoin by participating in a community that uses the digital currency, or you can get your Dogecoin from a Dogecoin faucet. A Dogecoin faucet is a website that will give you a small amount of Dogecoin for free as an introduction to the currency so that you can begin interacting in Dogecoin communities. How can you buy Dogecoin? You can sell or buy Dogecoin at any exchange that offers the digital currency, store it on an exchange or in a Dogecoin wallet, and tip Dogecoin in any communities that accept Dogecoin. For the latest list of exchanges and trading pairs for this cryptocurrency, click on our Market Pairs tab. Reasons why to buy Dogecoin. Number 1. Dogecoin's popularity makes it so. Back to the high school analogy, if there were a crypto popularity contest, Dogecoin's meme standing would make it a contender. The Dogecoin subreddit has 2.2 million subscribers, Shiba Inu subscribers, on its page. Among the most popular names that have endorsed Dogecoin are Musk and hip-hop performer Snoop Dogg. Given the speculative nature of cryptocurrency, popularity alone is critical. As for valuation, Dogecoin is worth what it's worth because others believe the token will increase in value. Those investing in Doge also are banking on more headlines from celebrity hype. Of course, the fact that Dogecoin is so popular right now is great. The return Doge has provided investors over the past year alone is a staggering 9,000%. However, investors are taking risks with owning a token that has skyrocketed so quickly on the basis of popularity alone. If another cryptocurrency claims the majority of investors' attention, Dogecoin could get pushed aside. Number 2. Dogecoin is great for crypto novices. Dogecoin's mountainous volatility during the past year is a deterrent to some investors. Why? Well, holding Dogecoin for any extended period of time can give investors a glimpse of what crypto investing is all about. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires a firm belief that a technological transformation is underway and that crypto will soon remake the world as we know it. Yet, surges and dips driven by fickle sentiment are par for the course. Investors must be willing to weather the storms as they come. I view Dogecoin as one of the more speculative and therefore volatile cryptocurrencies out there. Accordingly, those looking to go on an incredible ride may want to put a few dollars to work in Dogecoin. This cryptocurrency will undoubtedly provide a roller coaster ride that's fun at some points and scary at others. Of course, investors should only invest what they're willing to lose in such speculative assets. 3. Dogecoin's market positioning is unique. I think Dogecoin's mining model, inflationary status, and ties to Litecoin, crypto LTC times are all intriguing. These factors make Dogecoin unique and an intriguing investment for many crypto enthusiasts. Because it was an early crypto entrant, Dogecoin's mining model is based on proof of work. Like Bitcoin, crypto BTC times this means complex computational problems must be solved to validate transactions across the Dogecoin blockchain. However, given the concerns around the environmental impact of crypto mining, experts are predicting that Dogecoin will shift into a proof-of-stake validation model in which coin holders validate transactions. Such a move may entice investors who are on the fence about older cryptocurrencies. That said, Dogecoin reportedly uses much less energy per transaction than Bitcoin, less than 2%. Those looking at cryptocurrencies from a sustainability angle ought to like that. Additionally, Dogecoin's blockchain is verified via miners using the script algorithm, the same one used to mine Litecoin, a Bitcoin spin-off. Those bullish on both Dogecoin and Litecoin have reason to like this feature, which isn't that common in the crypto mining world. Finally, Dogecoin's inflationary status has caused some investors concern in the past. Buying something that naturally inflates over time, its supply isn't capped like Bitcoin's, requires that demand exceeds the natural inflation rate. If folks start pulling out of Dogecoin en masse or switching to the next most popular cryptocurrency, Dogecoin prices could tumble right quick. That said, the fact that there are only 5 billion new Doge tokens created every year means investors can closely estimate the inflation rate over time. Given the currently supply of Doge at around 131.5 billion Doge, this inflation rate works out to roughly 3.8% this year. Additionally, this inflation rate will decrease over time as the denominator gets larger. Having an idea of the capital inflows into Dogecoin can allow investors to analyze the probabilities of price appreciation. For those looking for an intellectual puzzle, Dogecoin certainly obliges. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it interesting in any way, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe and leave a comment. We'll be making a new video on other coins and cryptocurrency related videos. Subscribe and turn on post notifications for new video notifications.